Hey gang, this is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. Today's lesson is about, it's so crucial when you get a lead online that you respond to this lead in a matter of 1 to 3 minutes, okay? That's what's going to determine a lot of things. If you get the deal, what type of impression you leave the seller's mind or your customer's mind, because not that many people are doing that. And I'm going to show you right now how to do that, because the secret of it, okay? What you need to do is what I call email to text technology. What you gotta use is, again, email to text technology. And below, I'm gonna leave the links for all the cell phone carriers that I know of, the URL path that you gotta stick in there. So all you gotta do, guys, real simple, is that I'm with Sprint, so you're gonna put my phone number at SprintURL.com, okay? And I'm gonna put that's called the URL path. So that my phone number at the carrier's URL path is what I call the URL path. And I'm going to put that down there. And so what you do is you take that URL path that includes your phone number at that email function and you stick it into your lead generation. So instead of just sitting there when the lead comes in on your website or blog or Facebook or whatever you have it, instead of just emailing you, it also emails this URL path, which is your phone number at yourcarrier.com. And what happens is once somebody submits that online form, not only is it going to go to your inbox, but you're also going to get a text message. And it's a really, really simple thing to do to be notified you got a lead. Because if you're like me, I have hundreds of people that email me on a daily basis, and there's so much shit I got to go through. And so there's at least like 2-week delay in me returning emails. But if I discriminate between the most important emails through a text, so all my leads, all my important PayPal notifications, those are all text to me. And again, if you do that, is you just stick your phone number at the carrier domain name that I'm going to provide you on the description. You stick that into your lead form. However you send your emails whenever you get a lead, you stick that URL path, which is now an email, because basically that's why I call it email to text path. Because in reality, when somebody submits, it's going to be an email, but the technology is going to turn into a text message, which you'll get notified, guys. So simply put, getting back with the customer is so crucial. That's going to determine if you get the deal and the impression you leave on the customer's mind. I hope this tips works out for you. It works out for me amazingly. If you have any questions or comments, leave a question below and I'm happy to answer it. Again, this is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. Go out there and hustle and bustle. Don't listen to the naysayers.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.